just taken delivery of what must be one of the largest compact lamps that are available. This actually links to another hobby of mine, growing plants. I grow cacti and succulents, and we're heading for winter, long, short daytime, and they need a little bit of extra light. So I've obtained one of these lamps. Haven't even taken it out of the box yet, but we will do. What I noted is the way it was packed. It was superbly packed. That is the box that it actually came in, the outer box. Packed really well, and something like this has to be packed well. Anyhow, we'll take it out and we'll put it in the reflector unit and see what happens. Still unpacking. As you can see, beautifully packed. Just about to open the box with the bulb in it. Here we are, we can see it now. Hi, we finally got the lamp out of the box. I can say it was really well packed. The lamp itself is dated 21st of October, so it's obviously been done by the supplier. Mogul base, or GES, Goliath Edison screw. It's composed of 6 loops. 6 loops, or 6 U-shaped loops. I can't tell whether it's in fact one continuous tube or 2. The colour will be red and blue. This is shown here by the colour temperature. The 2 forms of light are beneficial to plant growth. I grow some interesting succulents, stemless mesems, which will be featured on YouTube. Some I have already done it. There's the lamp, there's the name. They call it a 6U jewel, that means jewel light. 6400 Kelvin to 7000 Kelvin. For use in England, Europe, 240 volt, 50-60 Hertz, 160 watts. And this must be one of the largest compacts available. What I'm going to do, I'm going to screw it into the fitting, and we will have a little look and see just what it will do. It looks well made, plenty of ventilation. I understand with these lamps it's best to make sure they don't get too much condensation. They do run at a very high voltage, and any condensation on the printed circuit spells disaster. It can track across, blow and burn out, and when it's gone, it's gone. Anyhow, we'll put it into the fitting and we'll have a little look at it when it's lit. I will add here that this lamp couldn't have been sent better packed than this one. It comes from a company called Basement Lighting Limited, and I haven't even tried it, but I would definitely recommend them. The bulb was superbly wrapped. I can't keep on more about that. It really was well packed. The lamp itself is probably made in China, but as I said before, I'm just wondering whether it would be even better if it's supported not just by the base but at the end, just to keep it up, because it is quite a bit of weight, although most of the weight is actually at the base end. The original lamp of this arrived, it was an article I bought off of eBay, not from any normal supplier, just from a private dealer or a private seller. Unfortunately, it wasn't wrapped properly. It was just wrapped with a piece of paper and a bit of cardboard, so consequently it arrived in many pieces. But this one is well packed, and we will put it on and give a little demonstration of what it looks like. Here we are back in the greenhouse where this lamp's going to be used, and it's in there under that reflector. As you see, I tend to grow succulent plants, stemless mesems, but for this purpose it's about showing you how these lamps are used. Anyhow, let's get back to the lamps. I'm wandering off subject. It's under this hood or reflector. As you can see, it's quite a bright lamp. It's 2 segments, supposed to be red and blue. Well, they're not red and blue, they're white and warm white. 2 segments to the lamp, so it's obviously one lamp but with 2 units inside, one giving the so-called red light and one giving the so-called blue light. Anyhow, we will try it out and see what happens. I will report back on it if it's any good. Hope it will. As I say, just show you some of the other plants that are in the greenhouse. But as I say, this talks mainly about the actual lamp. I'm going to show you the old lamp which came with the fitting but was smashed. Here we have the old lamp. It's actually larger than the one I've replaced it with. It's a single spectrum lamp, and this was the one that came with the unit when I bought it off of eBay, but unfortunately the person that sent it wrapped it round with a piece of cardboard, and when the bulb arrived it was smashed. This one I think was rated at I think we can see that 200 watt 240 volt, and this one was actually a 6400K. It was the same type of colour in every segment or U section. Anyhow, I will report back on this in future videos, because this is mainly for seedling raising and propagation, so we will certainly come back to that. But it's got interested for the bulb collectors, because it does show you some of the extremely large compacts. Anyhow, I hope you enjoy. Please leave any comments, anything that you want to talk about, and I'll try and get back to you. Thank you for watching. Hi there. What you're seeing before you is the remains of a compact lamp that was used for growing plants under. I'd ordered this one off of eBay and it arrived smashed. So rather than just dump it in the bin, we'll have a little look inside and see just what is inside of it and what makes it tick. I've removed